Okay, today's video will be showing about I believe it's an ATN Thor LT 320 by 320, and it's a 2x4. Okay, close this back up. Yeah, okay. So it is a thermal. And I remember me getting the 320 sensor, and it's the 2x4. I haven't seen very many good reviews over these scopes, so that's why I'm making this video. But this is literally, I haven't seen an unboxing video and showing you how, like, the quality is of it, like in hunt. But I'm gonna be the first one to do it, I think. I mean, I've seen like 2 videos, but they just shown it real quick. Which, really what's hard about this, why people don't usually videotape it, because they don't have a video on the actual scope. You have to go through a camera. But right now I'm just shooting on my iPhone. So, in the box, there is quite a bit of stuff in here. Box is empty. We'll set that off the side. Don't throw it away though. But it gives me a magic fiber to wipe my lens. And you got some other, get a free hat or t-shirt. And it's just a few little cards telling you about some stuff. But anyways, here's the manual, which I use these scopes all the time, like right here. In this bag, it's actually the scope that I had take a crap on me, unfortunately. It was the Sightmark 2 HD night vision. But first thing I'm gonna pull out of here is this. You got your eye thing. It's not like my old one. It ain't real squishy. It's pretty hard. Well, the back's squishy, but like I'll pull my old one out and I'll show you the difference. It ain't like this one here. Look at my old one. Just hardly anything to press in on it. This one here's got a little bit more stiffness, so you don't really press in on it. I think it's 2-3 inches eye relief or something like that. I don't. I've hardly read up about on these. And it comes with a nice, looks pretty cool, charging cord. Right here. And they really wrap this thing up in here. But look, it's kind of like a rope, the rope curving cords that have like the rope feature, and it's got a side plug in, so you plug it in and it ain't sticking out real far, which I guess that's helpful. Set that off to the side. Here's this, set that off this side. Next is the scope. It also comes with a scope case, so put that off the side. And here is the scope. Pretty cool, if I had to say. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on because I like using these. Keeps my face away from the scope so I don't scope myself. I've done that quite a few times. Let's see how it looks with it. Don't look that bad. That makes it super long, which I'm mounting it on the AR, so that's probably good. So it keeps it away from the charging handle. But turn it on. I'm actually gonna screw this for now. Just want to see what it looks like with it. It says this is the power button. Oh, there it is. It's on. Why isn't it showing the... Oh, it must be way zoomed in. This is out, ain't it? Oh, it's black hot. I don't know. How do I zoom out? I see a zoom in button, but not really now. Let me look it out my window. It's blank. Why is that? It's brightness. Okay. I'm not 100% sure yet. That's sensitivity. Oh, I'm being dumb right now. This is a thermal. So, what you should be able to see, like the field outline, which I can't even see that. But anyways, I'm not worried to death with it. It is the Thor LT 2x4. As you can see, it's backwards for you guys, I think. I don't know. And this side says the 320 quality. Okay. And what's real nice about this, it's just easy to open and easy to close for your charging port. And in it, it's got that little square thing to it for your charger. See how nice it is? And this is the Type C, I believe. Is a little circle thingy. Charger, I think it's the C. I think I put it in. No, there it is. Just like that. Locks in there. Stays in there really good. Takes a little bit to get it out. Well, there's a little bit of tension on it, but overall, I'm liking the scope. And we will be mounting it on this gun here. So I just want to see what it's going to look like. I got some scope rings and stuff, but probably mount it about right in there. That gives you a reference. I mean, it's pretty long, not really, but kind of. I think it looks pretty good with this gun, just the way by my side. I don't know how well you guys can see it. But I think that's about it. Short 7-minute video. Well, a little over 7 minutes. I'm going to explain one more thing. And this is the side you're going to look through, right? And this is the side that's going to be the thermal. I mean, my finger barely fits in there. It's small. Gives you a little difference. But this, I have not figured out what does, why it spins like that. I'll have to look at that. But this side, I learned is the focus. Your zoom in's that, but I believe your zoom in's at this, but you have to have, I think they said you may have to hold it. I don't know. Let me look at the manual real quick. Okay. Not real for sure. Anyways, I'll let you guys see this. I don't know if you can see it real well. I can hardly see it. It's small wording. And here's what it's going to look like for like animals. If you could see that very well. Kind of got a glare going on there for the bottom deer picture. Here it is. There's a pig. Which I'll be hunting coyotes with it. And it's good. And also about this scope, I about forgot before I shut this video off. It's got an automatic NUC, which the NUC is like a focus. It's automatic focus, so you ain't sitting here trying to twist this. It's got a thing built into it. You have to go in and click Auto NUC, and it's a locking device. So when you get on heat, it automatically like focuses it and pulls out like where it's clear for you to look at. There's a few different kind of reticles. There's a white and black hot mode. And that's basically it. So I'm gonna put my instructions and stuff back in here. Keep the scope out. I'll keep these in here, even though they really ain't important. I think that's just stuff that comes with it. I'm not sure. But all I want is this main stuff here. I'll throw the scope cover back in here. And I'll show you this out here. This should give you an idea of white and black hot if you don't know what it means. Most people should, but I'm just going to give you an example. Okay, this one here, this is black hot, which really it ain't solid black. No, both of these are the same. They're mine, mistake my issue. But, yeah, this is white hot. So your animal's going to be an outline of white. See, it's white. The background's kind of like a blackish tint. Now, just reference this. If it was on black hot mode, which means the pig here would be black, and the background would be like a whitish, like lighter color. So it's just switching you up. They say for scanning a field would be, I believe, black hot for close. But I don't know. I have to read it. You have to read up on about it if you want to know more. But I think today, maybe tonight, I make it out another video. If I go, I mean, it's real cold out right now. It's like 3 degrees. So I don't know if I want to go out right now. But I probably will. So that's basically the video on the Thor thermal. Let's say optic, because I know YouTube don't like rifle. But optic. It's the 320, like I said, and it's the 2x4. And overall, I'll show you the scope. So here's your scope, one side to the other, and here's buttons on the top. I know a lot of people didn't show them. This is your focus. I don't know what this does. I'll have to look into more, but basically that's it. Have a good day.